Good afternoon and welcome to Schmersal. I am Mr. Safety and today I would like to introduce you to the safe bistable solenoid interlock with bolt locking AZM400 and explain its unique features. The system consists of the locking unit with the integrated sensor technology and a motor-driven locking bolt, as well as the actuator that features an encoded RFID tag and a locking hole with two permanent magnets in which the locking bolt engages. Only once the safety door is in the correct position, the locking bolt can be ejected. As soon as the locking bolt has reached a sufficient depth in the locking hole of the actuator, it is enabled by the system and the protection device is deemed to be safe. The AZM400 impresses with a very high locking force of 10,000 Newton and is therefore particularly suitable for heavy doors. It is not uncommon for tension to build up in the doors due to sealing lips or misalignment of the safety door. To resolve this problem, the AZM400 enables unlocking against lateral forces of up to 300 Newton. The AZM400 is available as a version with one or as a version with two connectors. Like most Schmersal electronic safety switches, the basic version of the AZM400 is fitted with an 8-pin M12 connector. This version has one diagnostic output and two safety outputs. The functionally enhanced version of the AZM400 is also fitted with a 5-pin M12 connector in addition to the 8-pin M12 connector. This version is distinguished by an additional diagnostic output as well as the possibility of connecting an electrical manual release. This electric manual release of the functionally enhanced version of AZM400 can be realized by an additional auxiliary voltage supply. By connecting the auxiliary voltage supply, it is possible to release the device in the event of a power failure or if the main supply is switched off. The two diagnostic outputs of the enhanced version of the AZM400 with two connectors make it possible to access different diagnostic information. If the door is closed but not yet locked, this is signaled by diagnostic output 2. If the status changes from unlocked to locked, this is signaled by diagnostic output 1. The actuator can be moved horizontally and vertically on both sides. In this way, simple installation in applications with sliding guards or rotating protective equipment is made possible. Another feature of the AZM400 is the high permissible actuator offset of ±4 mm around the axis of the locking bolt. Various coding levels are available thanks to the integrated RFID sensor technology. Thus, depending on the requirements, a choice can be made between low-coded and high-coded versions. In addition, the bistable system meets the highest safety requirements of current standards. Thanks to the two-channel control, performance level E, category 4 and SIL 3 are also achieved for the guard locking function in addition to the interlocking function. The guard locking function is significant, particularly for applications in which a hazardous situation could occur through unintended opening of the isolating guard system, such as, for example, run-down movement causing a danger. The new type of input circuit for actuation of the guard locking function makes it possible to connect the AZM400 to all common safety control systems with PP or PN outputs. In addition to the version with a manual release, other versions with an emergency exit lever or with a Bowden cable are also available. In the event that an operator is accidentally shut inside a plant, a Bowden cable can be used as an emergency exit via a wire rope. Alternatively, if deployed outside a hazardous zone, it can be used as an emergency release. A lockout tag is also available as an accessory. The locking tag prevents operating personnel on larger accessible machines and plants from being accidentally shut out during maintenance and repair work. Here, the service workers attach a lock to the locking tag upon entering the hazardous area, thereby preventing the guard system from being closed and stopping the machine from running up unintentionally. A maximum of 6 padlocks can be used with the lockout tag, so that up to 6 people can be in the hazardous zone at the same time. Do you have any further questions about our AZM400? Then please do not hesitate to contact us.